All right, this is a bass tutorial for Let's Go Band. And for Let's Go Band, you're going to use the part that's probably marked trombone, cello, and bass, or trombone, cello, and bassoon, something like that. And for this one, you're going to need to know the notes in between here. So you might even, you're not going to need a C sharp. You're not going to need an F sharp. So you can come down to the F natural and the C natural, and that'll give you down here a B flat and an E flat. So instead of first finger being on the tape and fourth finger being on the tape, you're going to put second finger on the tape, first finger right in between the nut and the tape, and fourth finger right in between the tapes, like this. And remember, third finger is just kind of a placeholder where we use first, second, and fourth on the bass. So here's B flat is the first note of the whole song. And then D, open D is the next note. E flat is the next note. And then E, F. So it goes D, first finger in half position, second finger in half position, fourth finger in half position. Not in first position, in half position. B flat, D, E flat, E, F, B flat, D, E flat, E, F, B flat, D, E flat, E, F, B flat, B flat, B flat. Okay? You can do it with a bow. All right? That's the first part. The second part, it goes B flat, B flat, B. Sorry, this is the part that goes B flat. You're just going to skip your second finger. B flat, D, E flat, F. And there's no special rhythm to it. It's just B flat, D, E flat, F. No notes in between. B flat, D, E flat, F. B flat, D, E flat, F. B flat, B flat, B flat. All right? With the bow, that goes like this. I played the beginning, didn't I? This is the second part. All right, let's take those two parts and see if we can do it with the recording that we have of this piece of music. So I'm going to go into my Vimeo. I don't know why I don't have a shortcut to Vimeo in there, but I can go to it through here. Pull up this one. All right, so I paused it so I could pull up that video because it seemed to be loading, taking a little bit of time loading. And while I had it paused, I also I pulled up the video and also got some more rosin on the bow. So here we go. We're going to do the first two parts, and then we get through that. I'll pause the video and we'll go into the third part. First part you play twice. Second finger this time. Okay, and then we're going to do it again. I'm going to get ready to pause it so we can go into the next part. All right, So we're about to go into the next part. The next part is the short note part. So that's the long note part. The next part's the short note part. And this one starts with a B flat. You play 3 short ones, 2 long ones, or actually 3 short ones, a long one, and a short one. Short, 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 long, short. And then you do that same thing on E flat. And then you do it on C. So here's B flat, E flat, and then we're going to do C. And then you only do 3 on C and then 2 on F. So 5 on B flat, 5 on E flat, 3 on C, 2 on F. Do you see the pattern here? First finger, go up a string. Fourth finger, go up a string. So it should go like this. Up. Go up to E flat. First finger on the D string. Fourth finger. And then you do it again. Okay? Let's do it with the recording. 2, 3, and. Do it again. And last part, same as the first. Let's go band. And that is the applause for us. Yay us. All right. That's Let's Go Band on the bass, and I'm going to shut this off.